30% of the proposed projects address renovations and upgrades to current facilities. If the bond proposition passes, the district intends to convert Randall East back to a junior high, making it the third junior high for the district. Randall West would receive additional classrooms to increase student capacity in that building. School safety renovations are also proposed. Canyon ISD has and will continue to make safety upgrades using funds from the current maintenance and operation budget. But to assist with addressing security needs more quickly, the proposed 2018 bond package includes secure entries and classroom upgrades at Sundown Lane Elementary, Canyon Intermediate, and Canyon Junior High. Additional renovations and upgrades include new concessions, restrooms, and parking improvements at the Canyon High School baseball and softball areas. Proposed renovations for Kimbrough Stadium include relocating the scoreboard, adding new lighting, and ADA American Disabilities Act improvements, such as new sidewalks, restrooms, and lowering the South Hill, which will make space for a new field house.